Phil's Creepy Vids. Hey there, horror fans, it's your buddy Phil here, and I'm back at it today with yet another video for you guys. Today we got something really special in the mail. Shout out to Keith over at Euphoria Pictures for making me aware of this awesome item. It comes from Amazon Germany. Keith, awesome YouTuber, Euphoria Pictures, awesome channel. I will make sure to leave his link in the description box below. Make sure to go check out his channel. And over there, you can see him unbox this exact same thing that I am about to show you. So get excited. And it is none other than Nameless Media's Texas Chainsaw 3D bust from 2013, the movie Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3D. This is the box. Move away from the camera a little bit. That is what the bust looks like, and trust me, it is a mammoth. Weighs about 12 pounds. On the top of the box, you just have Texas Chainsaw. But yeah, awesome artwork on this box. Awesome. And it comes with the media book, comes with the Michael Bay, Jessica Biel, Texas Chainsaw Remake, and then of course Texas Chainsaw 3D from 2013. This set is limited to 222 pieces worldwide. I got lucky number 110. And this is of course a media book. Awesome artwork once again on the cover there. There you have Michael Bay's Texas Chainsaw Massacre Remake. And on the back you have Texas Chainsaw unrated version. And then this glorious media book with pictures and write-ups for both movies. One half of the book is for Michael Bay's movie, and the other half is for the Texas Chainsaw 3D. So very cool media book there. But I know what you're here to see, so I will just pause the camera and turn it around, give you an up-close personal view of this awesome bust this set comes with. So hold on tight. So here it is, guys, the bust in all its glory. Texas Chainsaw 3D, Leatherface. I'll give you a quick close-up of the detail in his mask. Very good detail in the face. Then he's got his bloodied apron. Blood-splattered arms. Awesome looking chainsaw. This actually is a magnet, so the blade detaches, so it's packaged without the blade on, which is good. And then it just clicks on there like a magnet. Awesome relief on the Texas Chainsaw title, how it pops out. Super cool. And he's coming out of what looks like a floor, probably the basement. Nice blood coloring on the wood looking panels. This is all resin, guys. Weighs about 12 pounds. 12 pounds of goodness. And we'll just give it a once around. I had to make sure the blade wasn't going to hit my monitor here. which it's not. Just an awesome addition from Nameless Media for this Texas Chainsaw bust. Once again, thanks to Keith over at Euphoria Pictures for making me aware. Also comes with a slot here and a nice long cloth cord. And you just take your media book, wrap the cord around, and it fits in the base like that. Then for easy access, you can just pull the cloth cord and your Blu-ray pops out. How cool is that, guys? The only problem with this bust that I had was it was covered in styrofoam. Little teeny weeny white styrofoam bits. So I had to pull out the vacuum and actually vacuum off the statue. But yeah, no damage I found in the paint application on the statue. No little chips or anything, which is good. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this awesome Nameless Media Leatherface Texas Chainsaw bust. I think it's really something. Glad to add it to my collection for sure. And yeah, I'll spin the camera back around and give you my final thoughts. Hold on tight. And we are back. So let me know what you think of this 12-pound beast, which is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Nameless Media Bust Edition. Limited to 222 pieces worldwide. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Did you like the movie from 2013, Texas Chainsaw 3D? I don't mind it. It's definitely better than that new Leatherface movie. But, yeah. If you like horror content just like this, hit the sub button. Hit the bell notification to be notified every time I go live or drop a new video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. And yeah, that's my time. Thanks for yours. Have a great one, guys. Peace!
So if you guys like that video, comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in Phil's next video. Peace!